Galaxy DIY Halloween pumpkin decoration inspired by Michael's 2020 collection. You need a foam craft pumpkin, black spray paint, and your choice of colors in metallic, pearlescent, or glitter paint. Prime your pumpkin in black. I like it nice and glossy because you want some of the black to show through for the galaxy effect. Then, using a sponge dipped in water, you're going to start stippling on the colors one by one. I'm going to point out right now, I am not aiming for a full even coat. I want the black to show through, and I'm going to layer and layer and layer until I'm happy. I'm not even worried about getting the full top and the bottom straight away because when I go to paint the second layer, I'm going to rotate the pumpkin just like this. As you add on more and more, the colors are going to become more defined. They're going to blend together a little bit more. You should dry in between the layers just so this kind of paint doesn't slip off. That's what it tends to do. Then you get to, when you're at a point where you're comfortable with the blend of your paints, I used Martha Stewart Pearl and it turned out beautiful after 2 coats. Start adding your random dots. If you want to do exact constellations, spend more time than I did. I took a paint pen and just randomly put some dots all over it. Then started to connect those lines and filled in and filled in and filled in. And I'm very happy with the results. I have my own customized Halloween DIY foam pumpkin Galaxy style for not $30 at Michael's.